Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so that's what you're into. Subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what happens. All right, you guys, so a couple things. Just a Taste. She finally arrived. I ordered this palette back in like November. I was sent the wrong palette. By the time Unearthly got to my email notifying them that I was sent the wrong palette, Just a Taste was sold out on pre-order, and so they just, I guess, got it back in. I hadn't heard anything for a while. They kept changing the times when they said that it should be shipped out like on their website, so I guess maybe it was just, you know, they just had some delays or whatever, and I finally sent them an email like last Tuesday or Wednesday and was like, hey, I haven't heard anything, like the website keeps changing, can you just maybe give me an update? Less than 24 hours later, I got a notification that it was being shipped out, and it was here yesterday, which was Friday, so it's finally here. I want to do something different and bold, and that, like, because my thing is this year I was supposed to be doing things that like scare me and like new things. So I want to pair this black lip liner, which is terrifying because I have tiny lips, with this Unearthly Menacing Metal Lipstick in the shade Bloodstone, because like we are going like vampy, like just deep smoky for this look. So let me do that first, then we'll take a look at the palette and get the eye look started. I am absolutely terrified, so I'm like not going to talk while I'm doing this, so just bear with me. So I'm kind of like just like patting my lips together, kind of blending it together, but I think I like that. I think I like that. Okay, so back to Just a Taste. She is here. I don't know if it's because I just waited so long for it that like the excitement kind of wore off, but when I got it I was kind of like, eh. So here it is. But I'm hoping like playing with it will help with that, and I've also just had like a horrible off week. So here she is in all of her beautiful, beautiful glory. So I'm thinking like, because I always do two different eyes, so one like deep dark, one like I guess purpley, and one like reddish eye. So let's get started. Let's get this show on the road. I want to start with the shade Veins of Velvet, because it's more of like a red purple, and we'll just kind of get this started on this eye. All right, how are you guys doing? Did you guys pick this palette up? How do you feel about it? So I was sent Not Normal Remastered on accident, and I really enjoyed the palette, and I'm like, I'm probably gonna pick this up anyway. So I was thinking they might say, okay, keep that, reorder Just a Taste, and then we'll just give you like a little discount because Not Normal is cheaper than Just a Taste. But they were like, no, send it back. So I did, and then I was like, well, I'll pick it up in the future, but now it's not in stock. So I don't know if I thought they were gonna keep it around, but it's not even showing as like a pre-order. So I don't know if they just discontinued it or what, but that was also a beautiful palette. I like that. It's a good deep dark start. Now I'm gonna go in with Bite Me, because like it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, you see that on the brush? Holy crap. That is, I feel like this is gonna be pigmented. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like that. All right. Now I just want to take right now Vampire's Lair and just put that on the lower lash line. right, now I'm going to go in with that shade Veins of Velvet again. And I'm just going to deepen out the outer, I cannot speak today, the outer portion of the lid. So this one right here, the first shade we started out with. Also, the guy's supposed to be coming to cut the grass. I'm not sure when though. So if I all of a sudden hear a lawnmower or something start, I'm going to have to jump up and get the dogs in. So that's another thing to keep in mind that's kind of stressing me out just a little bit because I don't want to like not hear it. All right, going in with a little bit of glitter glue. And now we're going to go in with that shade Crimson Thirst right here. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. That is perfect. Perfect. Gorgeous. I really, really, really like that. I'm feeling Mortal Dusk, which is this shade right here. All right. Now, let's get started on the other eye. I am loving this lip. By the way, that is like the perfect lip combo. All right, let's start with... let's start with Eternal Slumber, which is this shade right here. Now I'm going to go in with Forbidden Embrace, which is that shade right there. All right, I'm going to take that same shade Forbidden Embrace and just put it on the lower lash line. And now we are going to go in with the shade Nocturnal Kiss, which is right here. And we're just going to deepen out the outer portion of the lid. All right, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of glitter glue. Let's do Fanged Charm, which is that shade right there. So the more darker purple shade, like purple purple. So pretty. I really, really am enjoying that. All right, now lower inner corner highlight. I think I'm gonna go with Haunted Heart, which is this one right here. Now I am going to, there might be a little bit of fallout. I need to clean up, nothing crazy. Do a little bit of liner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's just, you know, do our little ritual. All right, you guys, let's do a little final look-see. Okay, so I do love the looks I created. They're very fun, very beautiful, very vampy. This lip combo is like the most beautiful lip combo I have ever done, seen in my life. I wish I could do this every day because I totally would. But I don't know how well that would go over at work, but I freaking love this. Like, it's like, I've always wanted a dark lip like this, but I could just never find like a lipstick that would do what I was going for, you know? But definitely with the black liner, it did it. Like, this is what I've been trying to recreate my whole life, and I finally did it. So I'm really, really excited about that. And this was the Unearthly Cosmetics Just a Taste palette. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. I love it. I do love it. I just think some of the excitement worn off because it took so long for it to get to me, but it is here. I am so happy. I am so excited, you guys. If you're new here and you've stuck around, subscribe to my channel. Let's hang out. Let's do makeup together. I try and do lives when I can, Sundays at 3 p.m. Central Time. I did one last week. I'll try and do one tomorrow, but this is like going up a week late, so I probably shouldn't say that, but just let you know. Check in Sundays at 3 p.m. Central Time, see if I'm live. If I am, come hang out. I'd love to have you. We just talk about everything, you know, live stuff, makeup, scary stuff, paranormal, whatever happens to come up, we talk about it. So yeah, I think that's it. If there's somebody you think would enjoy my content, please do me a huge favor and let them know about my channel. I'd appreciate it so much. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.